Hi DevOps engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. So this is Tech Stacks of Devops. We are going to see about test-based technologies. Four of the series. So this is test-based software applications. Test-based software applications, Cypress. So Cypress is for creating tests for modern web applications. It is easy to debug them visually and automatically run them in our continuous integration builds. So Cypress is a front-end test automation tool which is mainly used for regression testing for web applications. Cypress will run on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Test-based software applications JUnit. So JUnit is the current 5 is the current generation of JUnit testing framework, which provides a modern foundation for developer-side testing on the JVM. So JUnit is basically from the Java programming language. So JUnit is useful for testing the Java-oriented technologies frameworks for testing. Test-based software applications Selenium. So Selenium will be automate browsers. So the main thing is it is for automatic web applications for testing purposes. So it is providing a playback tool. So for authoring functional tests across most modern web browsers. So almost all the browsers are supporting, and it has a test scripting. It is a test scripting language. It supports many programming languages: Java, Python, and Ruby. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Devops Wonder, Devops for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.